Okay, I want to go over 3 quick type treatments that you can use in logos, labels, or other various things like that. First of all, rise, and I'm going to use this with 2 different typefaces so you can see what it looks like. So basically you type out what you want, put it in the font you want, and then go to Effect, Warp, and choose Rise. And you can preview it to see what it's going to look like. You can figure out how much you want it to rise, maybe a little bit less with a script font like this. And with this one, we'll go ahead and use the same thing. Effect, Warp, Rise. And there you go. So there's a couple of neat little text effects. The next one I want to show you is envelope. So the next technique I want to show you here is an envelope distort. So I've got these letters here, and what I'm going to do is quickly grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, and then I'm going to grab the direct select tool. Actually, before that, I'm going to hold on the pen tool and grab the add anchor point tool and use my smart guides to tell me when I'm at the middle of that shape. We're going to add 2 new anchor points there, and now we can get the direct select tool and grab those anchor points and pull them down and up respectively. And let me go ahead and change the color of this graphic so that we can see it easily. And finally, Object, Arrange, Send to Back. And I'll just pull this down. I'm going to select both of those. And we're going to go to Object, Envelope Distort. And clearly we've changed things, so we need to actually bring this to front. Awesome. The last version, it had to be in the back, I swear it. Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. Boom. And there we go. And so that's how you do all of these text effects, which you may have seen in logos, labels, etc. There's one more I want to show you. And for this, we're going to use the ellipse tool. And you can draw a perfect circle or an oval or whatever. I'm going to draw just an oval right now. I'm going to change the stroke so I can see it and turn off the fill color. And then over here, under the eraser tool, you are going to find the scissors tool. You can go ahead and just select that tool, and I'm going to go over here and click this, and here, and click this anchor point. And now we've got these separate paths. I don't really need this one right now. Well, I might use it yet. So what I'm going to do is, with this path selected, I'm going to go ahead and grab the type tool, and I'm going to click and hold that, and I'll grab the type on the path tool, because that thing is hotter than Aunt Jane's mustache. We'll click right here, and I'm just going to type on a path. With that done, I'm going to grab the direct selection tool. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. I'm going to grab this and bring it the whole way down to the end. And we'll just scroll over. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Actually, it's already done on this side, which is awesome. And now when I go to my paragraph panel and center, that centers that on that path. And now I can select this text and change its size. And there's what it looks like on a path. So that's how to do type on a path. And I could make it any particular path I wanted to by changing the shape or just free drawing the path with the pen tool. One more thing I'm going to show you real quickly is I can use the same tool down here. And again, with the direct selection tool, I can stretch that out. And this line here, somehow I got an E in there. I don't know how. So that's how you get it there. So there's two different ways to do type on a path. So rise, envelope distort, type on a path. Those are all techniques you can use in logo design. Good luck, good designing. Don't forget to be awesome.